Hey guys, today very important topic about that. So everyone making a videos like songs or anything. So like you are using for TikTok, a lot of applications are using for uploading video. So who will be give the main for the some other give the paid amount for based on ads. But now they give one of the website will be here newsflare.com. Short video, tell the word, get paid. So the website will be paying some amount based on your videos. So what are the video we can making for YouTubers? The best will be chance will be given by the newsflare.com. First we can go to newsflare. This will login will be any email accepted. We can go with the Twitter and Facebook also will be there. First of all, sign in Facebook and Twitter. Create your account. Any option. Sale video or buy video. What are the option you have to select? You can go. The option will be there. If you buy purpose, select the buy option. Sale purpose, sale purpose. Sale amount is only one option will be problem. They give for only particular option will be given to users will activate any account by using only particular email ID, phone number, compulsory mandatory. They will be pay your amount using for PayPal option. They not give any kind of net banking or credit debit card. Nothing will be their use. They use the give by the option will be called PayPal option. I'm going to log in. Will be here. I'm using for Twitter option. So just my account will be login here. So my account already is there. Just I'm going to the way for a particular option will be given for newsflare option. So just will be activate from the Twitter and Facebook. Both I will accept it or any email will be activate in a particular option. So now you have to wait for certain seconds. We can upload for any your own videos. You get paid from the newsflare. I'm showing for demo video from newsflare here. So in this newsflare be how you can pay the amount. They give the complete details will be here. How to get paid. Your video will be showing to particular option. Payment method will be transferred very secure, quick and way as well. A particular payment through PayPal. No other option. You have to create your PayPal account with your Gmail. This completely free. The amount will be give the quick, safe, reliable on the particular budget. And here will be sale option time. You can add your PayPal account. How much your budget will be given in the particular PayPal account by activate by the email address option. Why? Because your PayPal will be activated based on the email option. Direct purchase in a particular any video, the payment received by the particular notification by your newsflare.com. Payment amount, who bought it, money received within 24 hours. That you are get by PayPal account. So which email you are activate, the email will be compulsory linked with the PayPal. Auto payment will be created by the on the particular PayPal account. Is a genuine. You can see here based on number of views on a partner of website include MCN, Yahoo, AOL and Lively and more website. The particular payment will be released by the newsflare.com. So any creators, you have to make any videos. They will be best platform for earning money from newsflare.com. They're supporting for all countries, including for India. But the only one problem is called who will be not use a PayPal. Just you have to verify with PayPal with your email account to activate earning money from newsflare.com. Just we have to go for it. Incomplete details will be given by the newsflare on the particular newsflare.com. Just sell your video with the newsflare.com and upload the video. This is a procedure we can follow by the newsflare.com. That is called I'm showing for newsflare in the particular option. Just I'm opening my website with my ID. Now I'm done here. Just we can go to the 5 steps compass are important. The steps will be important will be your mail confirmation will be important, account details and social media preference, add your PayPal account and your country code, verification your phone number option. Once verify these options and click go to the upload your video in this. So based on your options, the amount will be earning for in the particular option. Simply you can add your PayPal amount in a particular account will be here, update email address. Once is verified, the everything will be successful be finished for your Newsflare account on the particular video sale option will be. This we can use carefully watch and upload the videos and to sell the videos, and we get the amount from the particular newsflare.com. So what are the condition? You can learn for everything will be video brief. This all option will be they give by how the people are uploading videos. Telugu videos, rare people are putting in this option. We can use these videos, increase earning from newsflare.com also. So what are the options will be given? What are the trending and categories? Use the categories, upload the videos. Most of the video, fun videos, upload it. Whatever you are making from Telugu or anything, upload it in this website to earn money from newsflare.com. Use this option, earn money from in this website. There will be support to the payment will be trust, but only one drawback, the payment will be done by only for PayPal account. Use this account and earning money from in this website.